Thanks for watching, even if it's just one. I appreciate it.
Not a problem, man.
Thank you.
I haven't seen a post lately, though.
I know, I just put one up this morning. Oh. Stay around here, good luck.
Castro! I just watched your video.
What's your name?
Albert.
Albert, cool dude.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching, even if it's just one. I appreciate it.
Not a problem, man.
Thank you.
I haven't seen a post lately, though.
I know, I just put one up this morning.
Oh.
Stay around here, good luck.
See it.
Oh.
What are you using?
What's it called? Cool Baits, half ounce underspin weedless.
Underspin weedless.
Yeah.
Half ounce.
Just got it. Nice, dude. Thanks. Albert, good luck over there. Nice. Here's little guy on the Cool Baits underspin. Oh, my underspin broke off. No. The underspin broke off. I've been fishing this thing a while and I've been hitting on the rocks, so I finally broke off and jacked it up. Oh well, I need to get another one. This is my last of the Cool Baits underspin. It was a weedless one. I just bought one. I want to try it out. I'm gonna get some more. First spotty on this bad boy. Woohoo! Little tiny guy. It's probably about 8 inches. Let's this guy go. That's a good one. That's a good one. Ooh. Little spotty. It felt like a good one, but it's a small one, guys. But still, spotty. Fish number 3. Spotty number 3 for the day. Nice little spotty. Sorry, fish number 3. Spotty number 2. Yeah, hopefully there's enough light. Grumpy spotty. Look at that. Oh, grumpy spotty. Yeah. I think I'm hitting the feel for it again, guys. I've been out of the water for a little bit. I've been off the water for a little bit. Starting to get that feeling again. That bite. I'm gonna fish this little area again. That's a good one. Oh, yeah. That's an eater. That's a good one. Oh, a little baby halibut. Woohoo! A little tiny halibut. Little halibut on the underspin. Whoa! There we go. A little halibut. 3 bass, 1 little halie. Let's let this guy go. All right.